Samsung may have just released the Galaxy S9, but everything remains full steam ahead because the company just officially confirmed the Galaxy Note 9 for the first time. Needless to say, Samsung was not looking to broadcast this news. In fact, it went about as far away from prying eyes as possible. But that didn't stop famously eagle-eyed Dutch tech site Galaxy Club, which spotted Samsung has filed the first official Galaxy Note 9 trademark out in Colombia. The listing doesn't give away much other than the application date, March 12, and that it comes from Samsung Electronics, which is verified by its official South Korean HQ address. That said, we already know the Galaxy Note 9 is set to be one of the most exciting and, potentially, radical smartphones released this year. The big talking point is design. Samsung is hotly tipped to make the Galaxy Note 9 the first mass-market smartphone with the fingerprint sensor integrated into its display. The company previously tried to do this for both the Galaxy Note 8 and Galaxy S9 launches, but ran out of time. So now the pressure is on to deliver. Furthermore, the Galaxy Note range is set to step up Samsung's camera game even from the impressive shooters on the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. The obvious upgrade is these phones' weak spot. Their woeful selfie cams and dual front-facing cameras are the hot technology among Samsung's biggest Asian rivals. I'd also expect further tweaks to the Galaxy S9's clever dual-aperture rear camera. Though I remain concerned that the battery stagnation in these phones will also carry over to the Galaxy Note 9. But, whatever the company's priorities, one thing is certain, with Apple set to supersize the iPhone X, and supersize its price, in 2018, Samsung has to go for it.